We're at Battlesbridge Classic Car Show on Sunday the 8th of May, and this is the end of the show. So show you the two cars we bought up today. This is our 1958 FORD PREFECT, which is really good conditions, been restored. It's not 100% perfect, but it's really very, very good. So bought that with us. Right, and there's Jeff talking to a couple of people about the Prefect. So it's the end of the show, so not many cars about now.
No. In the classic paper, it talks about robbing
Right. So you can see a very big field here. Some Battlesbridge is Essex. We have several classic car shows a year. Some of them offer general classic cars, other for just American or Volkswagen ones, all kinds. But this is the first show of this year, 2011, 8th of May. And this is the other car we brought with us. It's our 1961 Chrysler New Yorker, which is the only one in the country. That's all been restored as well. Some 4-door pillarless. Very big fins. And that's called a flight sweep deck lid. Looks like it's a spare wheel cover, but it isn't. It's purely for show, just decorative. And the fins on this car actually start on the front door. They're that big. That very defined fins. And it's got a jukebox style dashboard. And this car is almost twice the size of the Prefect. I'll try and show you a size comparison.
I'm at the point now of just bought a complete floor pan down one side.
Oh, you use cool air in Dartford, are you?
Right, they're lined up at the front, so this is the size difference at the back. Right, I'll show you a pan around the field so you can see. Nice little hot rod coming here. This video will be very noisy, but that's purely because it's really windy. It's a lovely warm day, but it's very, very windy.
They also deal with the seat mount on it as well. That's right. That's the seat mount. Yeah, that's right.
Very large field, really.
Nice meeting you.
And this is Jeff, who's restored our vehicles. On video, Jeff, you don't even know.
Hello from Battlesbridge Car Show. Sunny, glorious afternoon in May.
It's very windy, they probably can't hear us.
It's playing havoc with my hair.
Yeah, it's messing Jeff's hair up, this wind. It's really, really upset him. Okay, so hope you enjoyed our little view here. Thanks and bye-bye.